The Big Machine Music City Grand Prix is unlike any event anywhere else in the world. We combine the best race car drivers in the world, the best music acts in the world, into what I believe is the best party city in America.
Nashville is one of the hottest cities, in the country right now. For us to be able to partner not only with the Grand Prix, but also the city of Nashville, it's a big win for us.
Nashville has been incredibly fortunate to have a thriving entertainment scene.
It's mini Mardi Gras 7 days a week here.
We've become one of the premier event cities in America, but it does come with a cost. We bring tens of thousands of people in per day into downtown Nashville, but we create tens of thousands of beer bottles in downtown Nashville per day.
How much glass this street produces is hard to tell.
It's a lot. It's a whole lot.
In Nashville, the average bar on Broadway goes through about 30,000 glass bottles a day. Yet there's no formal glass recycling program in the Broadway area.
The city did have a glass recycling program specifically for lower Broadway bars. It had some successful elements, also some significant challenges, but ultimately did not continue.
And so we decided to put some focus on sustainability and recycling efforts.
Knauf alone goes through just under 850 tons of recycled glass a day. And so making sure that the general public understands the importance of glass recycling is really important. So the sponsorship actually became the gateway to something much bigger for Knauf.
We worked with some of Nashville's highest volume honky-tonks to recycle their bottles.
The glass was delivered to one of our key partners, SMI, who then processed the glass and turned it into cullet, returning it back to our manufacturing plant so that we could use it in product.
We picked up glass from about 9 locations from July 1st through the actual Grand Prix.
They gave us 10 trash cans. The only thing we had all 10 trash cans filled up within 30 minutes.
There were some challenges, just the general logistics of how we were going to collect the glass. Figuring that piece out was a little tricky, but we managed to get it done.
What excites me is that even with the challenges, we were able to collect over 10 tons of glass.
It showed that it's possible.
The fact that we were able, in partnership with Music City Grand Prix and Knauf, to reevaluate our recycling program and see that it was much more successful than when tried before, I think is a huge success and really opens up the conversation about what longer-term glass recycling could look like.
It's a continuous improvement cycle that we believe in Knauf. Let's measure it, analyze it, improve it, and just do it all over.
If they came to me next year and said we want to do another recycling, I would do it 100%.
We absolutely look forward to doing this again next year. And our hopes will be, like all things, to be bigger and better.
It's about our customers, about the communities we serve. It's about innovation and sustainability. And what we did with Nashville, is just kind of in the starting stages. And now we're hoping that we can find other opportunities like Nashville and continue to impact communities across the country, one city, one glass bottle at a time.